Imagine driving down the highway and suddenly your engine starts stuttering, losing power, and that dreaded check engine light starts flashing at you. If you have plugged in a scanner and pulled the code P216D, you are dealing with a fuel injector group F circuit open fault. This sounds super technical, but let us break it down into plain English. Basically, your engine control module, or EECM, is trying to talk to a specific fuel injector, or a group of them labeled as Group F. But the phone line is dead. The circuit is open, meaning electricity cannot get through to fire that injector. Now, why is this happening? In modern vehicles, fuel injectors have replaced old-school carburetors to give us better power and efficiency by spraying fuel electronically. But because these injectors live right on top of the engine, they are constantly baked by extreme heat and vibration. This environment is brutal on wiring. The insulation on the wires can crack, break, or even get chewed on by rodents seeking a warm spot. When that happens, the connection breaks, the injector does not spray fuel, and you get a lean condition. A lean condition means there is too much air and not enough fuel in the cylinder. This is actually pretty serious. If you ignore this and keep driving, a lean engine runs hotter than normal, which can melt pistons or damage valves over time. It is not just about bad gas mileage or a rough idle. It is about saving your engine from catastrophic failure. So, where do you start? First, do not panic about replacing the injector just yet. Most of the time, this is a wiring issue. You need to figure out which injector corresponds to Group F for your specific car, make, and model. So grab your service manual or do a quick search online for your engine's firing order and cylinder layout. Once you find the Group F injector, pop the hood and take a close look at the wiring harness. You are looking for broken wires, loose connectors, or signs of burning. Sometimes water or oil pools in the valley of the engine where the injectors sit, causing corrosion inside the connector plug. Pull the connector off, check the pins, and maybe spray some electrical contact cleaner in there. If everything looks good visually, you will need a multimeter. Set it to measure resistance or ohms. You want to see if electricity can flow through the injector and the wires leading to the EECM. If you get an infinite reading, you have found your open circuit. It is a bit of detective work, but fixing a broken wire is a whole lot cheaper than rebuilding an engine.